We're talking about machines that can take down a tree taller than a 10-story building in minutes. These aren't your grandpa's chainsaws. These are the heavy hitters, the big boys, the mechanical marvels of the logging industry. They're dangerous, they're loud, and they get the job done. Think about the toughest jobs on the planet. Now, imagine working in a forest, surrounded by trees the size of skyscrapers. Your job? Bringing those giants down safely and efficiently. That's where these incredible machines come in. From the moment these machines fire up their engines, you know you're dealing with serious power. The ground vibrates, the air fills with the smell of diesel and pine, and you can't help but be impressed by the raw force these machines possess. But these machines are more than just brute strength. They're also incredibly precise, capable of delicate maneuvers that would make a brain surgeon sweat. First up, let's meet the feller buncher, the undisputed king of the logging site. Imagine a giant claw descending from the sky, clamping onto a tree trunk like a vise. That's the feller buncher in action. This machine is a marvel of engineering with a rotating cab that gives the operator a 360-degree view of the action. The operator uses joysticks and levers to control the massive arm and claw, maneuvering it with surprising agility. With a swift motion, the feller buncher grabs the tree, a razor-sharp blade slices through the trunk, and the tree crashes down in a matter of seconds. But the feller buncher isn't done yet. It then gathers the felled tree, using its powerful hydraulics to lift and stack it with other trees ready for transport. This machine is a true multitasker, capable of felling, delimbing, and stacking trees with incredible speed and efficiency. Next, we have the harvester, a machine that takes tree felling to a whole new level of sophistication. While the feller buncher is all about brute force, the harvester is more like a surgeon, carefully dissecting the tree and maximizing its usable timber. The harvester is equipped with a rotating head that contains multiple tools, including a saw for felling, delimbing knives for stripping branches, and a bucking system for cutting the tree into logs of specific lengths. The operator, seated in a high-tech cabin, uses a computer system to control these tools with incredible precision. Watching a harvester in action is like witnessing a ballet of machinery. The head moves swiftly and smoothly, stripping branches, cutting logs, and stacking them neatly on the forest floor. It's a testament to the ingenuity of engineers who designed these machines to be both powerful and precise. Section 4, Chainsaw on Steroids. Meet the massive boom arm saw. This isn't your average chainsaw, it's a beast designed for the toughest jobs in the forest. Let's not forget about the classic chainsaw, or at least its bigger, badder cousin, the boom arm saw. This machine takes tree cutting to a whole new level. Imagine a chainsaw so large it needs to be mounted on a crane. It's not just about size, it's about power and precision. That's the boom arm saw, a machine designed to handle the biggest and toughest trees in the forest. It slices through thick trunks with ease. The operator controls the boom arm saw from a safe distance, using levers and joysticks to maneuver the massive chainsaw blade. This ensures safety while maintaining control. With a deafening roar, the saw tears through the wood, sending sawdust flying through the air. The noise is a testament to its raw power. It's a sight that's both impressive and intimidating, a reminder of the raw power these machines possess. Watching it in action is truly awe-inspiring. The boom arm saw is often used in conjunction with other logging equipment, like feller bunchers and skidders, to clear large areas of forest quickly and efficiently. This teamwork makes large-scale logging operations possible. It's a vital tool for the logging industry, allowing workers to tackle even the most challenging tree-felling tasks. Without it, many of these tasks would be nearly impossible. Section 5, the unsung heroes, skidders and loaders. Once the trees are down, the real heavy lifting begins. This is where the true muscle of the logging industry is showcased. That's where the skidders and loaders come in, the unsung heroes of the logging industry. These machines are indispensable in the process of moving felled trees. These machines are responsible for transporting the felled trees from the forest to the landing, where they can be loaded onto trucks and transported to sawmills. Without them, the process would be far less efficient. Skidders are built for tough terrain, with powerful engines and massive tires that allow them to navigate through mud, snow, and uneven ground. Their design is specifically tailored to handle the most challenging environments. They use a cable or grapple system to drag logs through the forest, often pulling multiple logs at once. This capability significantly speeds up the logging process. Loaders, on the other hand, are used to lift and stack logs onto trucks. Their role is crucial in ensuring that the logs are properly loaded for transport. They're equipped with a hydraulic arm and a large claw that can grab and move heavy logs with ease. This equipment allows them to handle even the largest logs efficiently. Working in tandem, skidders and loaders ensure that the felled trees are efficiently transported out of the forest, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Their coordinated efforts are essential for a smooth and effective logging operation. Section 6. Safety First. Taming the Titans of Timber. Working with these powerful machines is not for the faint of heart. It's a dangerous job that requires skill, experience, and a healthy dose of respect for the machines themselves. That's why safety is paramount in the logging industry. Operators undergo rigorous training to learn how to operate these machines safely and efficiently. They wear protective gear, including hard hats, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots, to minimize the risk of injury. And they follow strict safety protocols to ensure that everyone on the logging site is aware of the potential dangers and how to avoid them. From pre-operation inspections to communication systems and emergency procedures, safety is integrated into every aspect of the logging process, because when you're dealing with machines this powerful, there's absolutely no room for error. Section 7. Impact and conclusion efficiency versus environmental concerns. There's no doubt that these machines have revolutionized the logging industry, making it possible to harvest timber more efficiently than ever before. The speed and precision with which these machines operate have drastically reduced the time and labor required to process large quantities of wood. But this efficiency comes at a cost. The rapid deforestation and the sheer scale of tree removal have raised significant environmental concerns. The environmental impact of logging is a complex issue, with valid concerns about deforestation, habitat loss, and soil erosion. These activities disrupt ecosystems, leading to the loss of biodiversity and the degradation of soil quality, which can have long-term effects on the environment. The challenge for the logging industry is to find a balance between the demand for timber and the need to protect our forests. This balance is crucial for maintaining the health of our planet and ensuring that future generations can also benefit from these natural resources. Sustainable logging practices, such as selective cutting and reforestation efforts, are essential. Selective cutting allows for the removal of specific trees, while preserving the overall structure and health of the forest. These practices are crucial to ensuring that our forests are managed responsibly for generations to come. Reforestation in particular helps to replenish the trees that have been harvested, promoting a cycle of growth and renewal. So, the next time you see a piece of wood furniture, a stack of lumber, or even a simple sheet of paper, remember the journey it has taken. Or even a simple sheet of paper. Think about the resources and efforts involved in its production. Take a moment to think about the incredible machines and the hard-working men and women who helped bring it to you. Their efforts are a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to meet our needs efficiently. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The power to harvest timber efficiently must be matched with the responsibility to do so sustainably. It's up to all of us to ensure that our forests are managed sustainably so that these magnificent machines can continue to operate for years to come. By supporting sustainable practices, we can help protect our environment while still benefiting from the resources it provides.